Hello, this is Lorena from Spotahome. Here we are on Plaza Agustin, piso 12, number 37. We have 6 rooms to see. Here we are in the entrance of the house. Now I'm gonna show you. This is a long corridor which leads us to the rooms. We're gonna start from room number 6. This is a small room. You have all you need. You have a desk, you have a table here, and you have a lamp. You have a closet here where you can keep your clothes and all you need to. You have a single bed, pillows. You can use this to store stuff. You have a small painting there and a small inside window with curtains. We keep moving. We are gonna check room number 5. This is a bigger room. You have a desk, a chair, a lamp. You have a small board, so if you need to organize stuff, you can do it there. You have a mirror here. You have a window. It's an inside window also. It's a view to the inside of the building. You have a double bed. You have a bed lamp there and a small table next to the bed. And here you have a closet. There's big storage room there, as you can see. And you have 2 doors. This is the other door. You can see. You also have this, so you can hang stuff, maybe coats, and a small paint there. Keep going. This is room number 4. There you can see we have an inside window also, double bed. You have a desk, a chair, and a lamp, and a small board also. You have a night table, night lamp. You have this space here. You also have a mirror. And then you have this closet. There's a lot of space to storage. Then we go. This is the first bathroom. You have a chest shower there, mirror, lamps, toilet, and a shower. Have the shower there. Keep going. At the end of the corridor, you have the room number 1. This is the biggest room of the house. It's a really nice room. You have a double bed, bed-sized tables. You have 2. You have a small lamp there and a mirror. You have this big window with a view to the street. It's a very centric place. You are in the middle of Valencia. In the view, this is one of the main streets in Valencia, and then you can see Plaza de Toros, which is a very important place here. And here you have 2 desks with 2 chairs and a small lamp and a small board. And then you have 2 closets also. As you can see here, You have 2 closets. It's a really luminous room. You have a lot of light. This is it. We keep to the corridor. And we have room number 2. This is room number 2. Double bed. Closet. Here you see. You have a mirror on the closet. This is the storage space in the closet. And then you have this mirror. Right? You have the desk, the chair, the desk lamp, and small board. You have bedside table and lamp. And you can put stuff there also. This window also have a view to the street. Same street as room number 1. So you can see. A really nice view. This is the complete room. This is room number 3. Here you have a double bed, bedside table, a lamp. You have this table here to put stuff. You have a closet with a mirror also. You can see inside. Here is. You have a chair and a desk lamp, and a small board. You also have this. And then you have the window with the view to the same street, right? The street goes straight to Plaza de Toros. It's a very big room with nice views. And then we have the second bathroom with a mirror. You have the toilet. You have a shower. This is a smaller bathroom. It's nice and clean. You have a chest shower there. And next to the bathroom you have the kitchen. You have a table with 4 chairs. Fridge, storage space, you have a washing machine, you have the oven, dishwasher there. And that's it. This is the whole house. So you can see it's a very well placed rooms in the middle of Valencia. Thank you.